What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I'm an 80s baby, and I was all about Care Bears, strawberry shortcake, Rainbow Bright. And after like 40 years, Care Bears are still rocking it today. Remember when Barbie came out with the Care Bear fashion packs? It was the best, the absolute best. Which is why I went a little crazy when I saw Barbie Cutie Reveal Care Bears. Barbie and Care Bears together again. I bought this on Amazon for $24.99. It says there is a posable doll inside. I think it's going to be pretty standard to most Barbie Cutie Reveals. There are 10 surprises, but are they really? Because we totally know what we are getting inside. We're gonna get this doll, this Care Bear look, a jacket, accessories, a Care Bear, and color change elements. And at the top, there's a little heart cut out where you can fill the fabric. On the side, we can see all the Barbies and their Care Bear costumes. We have Cheer Bear, Share Bear, and Grumpy Bear. Just remove the top to reveal the bear. Wow, that's pretty grumpy. There are some instructions inside that explain how to reveal the cuteness. Honestly, Cutie Reveal and Care Bears is a perfect combination in my opinion. It just makes sense. This is a super cute Halloween costume idea for a doll. We got a mask. It has a little tuft of hair on top. There's a fuzzy jacket with a belly badge, matching solid colored fuzzy pants, plastic bear paws, and little bear shoes. Now these do look a lot smaller than a lot of our other Barbie Cutie Reveal shoes. Here they are next to some Cutie Reveal paws. Oh, but they have little hearts on the bottom. And there's another heart. On the pant legs, there's a little tag that says Barbie Care Bears. And the nose on the mask is a little plastic heart. Speaking of the mask, let's remove it to reveal our Barbie Cutie Reveal. This doll has brown eyes. There are little hearts in them. It has a pink lip color with a heart shine. This doll is pixelated and shiny. We're getting brown hair with turquoise highlights. And the hair is kind of a golden light brown. And there are little hearts on the gloves as well. With the shoes on, it is possible to balance this doll to stand. I often use Barbie Cutie Reveal shoes when taking doll photos to help my dolls stand if I don't want to see the waist bracket from a doll stand around their waist. The doll comes with a couple of paper bags that we can tear open to reveal a pair of sunglasses. These are blue, and we have a pair of blue boots. In another bag, we find a skirt. It's a faux denim skirt with an elastic waistband, a Barbie Care Bears heart-shaped comb with a sponge on the other side. We have a headband with ears. That is cute. And they even painted the inside white. And in the last bag, we find a little Care Bear figure. We have a little grumpy bear. Now, usually I am not a huge fan of the Barbie Cutie Reveal pets, or friends, or plushies, whatever they're supposed to be. But this is adorable. It looks just like the Care Bears today and could totally go in our doll rooms as a stuffed animal. For the doll who's a Care Bears fan, who can remove the gloves and the paw shoes, take off her fluffy coat, and flip it around because it's a reversible jacket to get a different look. I love the Care Bear print on the jacket. It is very fun. However, all the Care Bears on the back are upside down. Like most Barbie Cutie Reveal dolls, she has permanent undergarments. And here's our grumpy Barbie wearing the skirt and boots. Let's take a look at Cheer Bear. All the packaging is pretty much the same, only this time it's pink. And here is our Barbie Cutie Reveal Care Bear and stuff. Oh, look at that face! There's a pink heart nose, hearts on the paws, a heart in the back, and hearts on the bottom. The belly badge is a rainbow. Now let's remove the mask to reveal the doll. Oh wow, That's something. Unfortunately, my doll is missing a little hair in the front. Maybe we can give her a little comb over. This doll is pretty pixelated and shiny, and to me, the eyes, like the eyeliner, is kind of thick. I can really see it when compared to Grumpy Bear. She has brown hair with pink highlights in the front, has pink molded undergarments. When we reverse the jacket, we have a Cheer Bear print with rainbows. In the bags, we get a pink faux denim skirt, pink bear ears, a heart comb with a sponge, pink flower sunglasses. Ooh, some pink cowgirl boots. I like these. And another mini Care Bear. It's a mini Cheer Bear, and I can move the head. Not sure if it's supposed to move, but it does move. As for the missing hair on the doll, well, that's just my experience, and yours could be different. But, I do have feelings about it. Since we can't see what we're getting, we have to just hope that there are no factory defects. Up next, we have Share Bear making a cute little face with one eye open. There's a purple heart nose. Oh yeah, and the eyes are embroidered. Here is Share Bear's belly badge. There are purple hearts on the hands and feet, as well as on the back of the pants. Remove the mask to reveal the doll, who has blue eyes, a pink lip color, is shiny and pixelated, has blonde hair with pink highlights, lavender undergarments that are sculpted on. The jacket goes from this to this. In the surprise bags, we find a faux purple denim skirt, a matching bear headband, and a heart comb with a sponge. The other accessories are heart sunglasses and lavender sneakers. And the printing on her face is also not as thick as Cheer Bear's. Sorry, Cheer Bear, but I'm probably just gonna steal your clothes. In the last surprise bag, we find our mini Care Bear. Oops. Here we go. And this one is also winking. Yeah, I was that girl who had a billion teddy bears on her bed. And we can totally keep it going with these mini plushies by Basic Fun. These are around $3 or so. I've seen them at Target and Walmart, and we're just getting a little tiny Care Bear plushie. We already have Cheer Bear in our room, and now we can add Grumpy Bear. I am going to cut off this giant tag to give our Barbie Care Bears another Care Bear. The doll can hold the bear. They have some articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. At $24.99, I do wish that they had wrist articulation. If you want to switch her to a made-to-move body, she's kinda close to Barbie Looks 12. The green tie-dye made-to-move Barbie might work as well, or even the blue top, which is the one I'm going to use. I place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water. While waiting for the doll's head to soften, let's recycle some of this packaging. I think the sides of these boxes make perfect Care Bear posters. Just cut them out and put them on a wall. Yep, it's that easy. Only I want a new wall, because this is the wall for our Barbie rooms and I don't want to alter it. So I just flip it around because it's one of our wall boxes, and let's add some scrapbook paper. This is a blue watercolor scrapbook paper that I found at Michael's. I think it matches some of the other posters on the wall. We can use a little poster putty or blue tack on the back of our Care Bear posters to attach them to the walls. From each box, we get like 6 posters. 2 large posters and 4 smaller ones. Have I been saving these boxes for this very moment? Yes. Yes, I have. And we can use the front of the box for a Care Bear photo op. Ooh, and this one has 5 mini posters. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, pulling off some doll heads. I place the Cutie Reveal head on the made-to-move body. I dunk her hair in hot water, which can totally mess up that whole color reveal thing because their hair does change color with a little icy water, and the instructions warn us against exposing the hair to extreme heat for long periods of time. You have been warned. After combing the doll's hair, she's going to need some new clothes. Good thing I have Barbie Care Bear fashion packs, so we can put together a comfy, cozy look for hanging out in the dollhouse. To make the room even more cozy, I found these little plushies at Five Below. The tag says they're made from recycled materials. That's about equal to one plastic bottle. Even the tags are made from recycled materials. They were $5 each. Here we have Share Bear, Grumpy Bear, and Cheer Bear. On the back of each one, there's a little picture. This one says Caring Together, Love the Earth, and Earth Day is every day. I thought we could use these as Care Bear body pillows for the dolls. Oh yeah, super cozy. As a Care Bear fan, I love seeing Barbie and Care Bears together. Even though I prefer natural hair colors, I don't mind a few colorful highlights. And I would love to see more Barbie Care Bear fashion packs in the future. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Cutie Reveal Care Bears, which are totally going to be my Halloween costumes this year. Because as an adult doll collector, these are bringing back all the memories. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.